Ella från Nordrum.
Pigan Sara från Salom.
Elisabeth från Alestad.
One thing that was important for us was to try to reconnect dancing and dancing for something, for someone, so that it's more of a ritual for us as opposed to an abstract, conceptual thing. We all brought pictures of our grandmother to the studio, and we decided we'd dance for our grandmother and for women in general.
For me, it's been a process where I was most myself, and I think is how I feel on stage, which is a nice feeling, maybe sometimes painful, to see what you could carry inside of you from generation or from your past in your life. A piece is kind of healing in this sense of liberate any kind of pain or emotion that you have inside as a woman.
To have the feminine energy really at the forefront of what we're doing is a unique experience, and it feels honoring and exposing these different aspects of my own inner female, and discovering what that is something I've never done inside of a studio in this way before, having it be sort of the work itself.